Stand or sit tall with good posture. Let your arms hang down by your sides with your fingers splayed. Take a deep breath in while rotating your thumbs to the back. Release the rotation and the breath at the same time. Repeat this several times. Be sure not to poke your head forward while doing this stretch. Keep your core tight and your feet planted flat.
If you enjoyed what you learned today, click the like button down below. If you happen to be new, please subscribe to our channel to stay tuned in on upcoming content.